it's a y value, isn't it? So it goes in for y. We're finding
I didn't understand it. Just like how it was written.
yeah, it's written in a weird way, but I've seen them written like that.
Wait, so
Who does x? That'd be 2x. What would that be? 3 times negative 1. So 2x minus. Just remember, you're going in a negative direction. Make sure you have the negative sign. And when you're going in a positive direction. Okay. That's fine. Do you get more? Yes. That's the point one and two. So how do we move that one? Okay. Then we have one. That's positive. And we go left. We've done a lot like A and B. I want to go over 1C. Again, they're giving me a y value. And they're asking me to find an x value. That's the same equation. 2x plus 3y equals negative 12. But don't we know the y value? On part C? What's the y value? Negative 1.5. So we got 2x plus 3 times negative 1.5 equals negative 12. Can I solve something like that? Yeah. That's the stuff we were doing last 6 weeks, wasn't it? We're trying to solve this for x. I need to know what this is first. What's 3 times negative 1.5? Negative 4.5. So that's 2x minus 4.5 equals negative 12. Add 4.5. After I add 4.5, Michaela, what would I do? What did I get when I added 4.5? You get it? Negative 7.5. Divide by 2 on both sides. X equals, anybody get that? Negative 3. What is it? 7.5. See, that's not so bad, is it? Remember, I'm not going to put the answer on here. If you want me to check your answer, raise your hand and I'll walk around and check it. Don't say it out loud because competition here. Here we go. Number 1. Zero, negative 2. The first point. 8, negative 6 is the second point. Label the points. Write down the equation. Or write down the formula, plug into the formula. Slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Anybody have this one?
What is this?
Yes.
I have it.
That was a negative 6. So you should have negative 6. So it wasn't positive 6, it was a negative 6. So that should be a negative. No? Man, this game is rigged.
So even though you still got the minus sign. Is that right?
Do what? Yeah, that's right. Get it? No. Okay, that was a negative. That's a positive or a negative. Everybody has the opposite of it. Except for me. You have it already?
2.
Man. Rip off.
Honestly, that's once you have a negative, right? You guys know?
What?
Once you have a
The card?
you said that minus sign.
Maybe it's the person that calls them out. It is the person that plays it.
Hey.
Negative 3, negative 7. Negative 1, negative 7.
Hey, is this if it deals on
Oh
the
no,
top?
you gotta tell him to try it. Anything 0 divided by 0 is 0.
But you're not dividing by 0. No, not either way.
I got that one.
Minus negative.
The rest are gonna be
Exactly. Anybody can.
So it's gonna be -7 plus 7.
Negative 7 minus.
That's what he said.
You have that one?
Look.
Yes. Yes. Good.
I had that one.
Good. Think you got it?
I think. I'm sure.
You gotta solve some stuff.
I know that.
27 and 30 require a little bit more work. We have to do 30?
I didn't know we were doing.
We're gonna do 30. Y'all ready?
No.
Get your notes back out in just a minute. Give me the definitions for slope. Give me the definitions for slope.
Rise over.
Rise over run. Steepness.
Y.
Rate of change.
Changing Y.
Change in Y, we're changing X.
I think it's rate of change.
That's the one we're going to use here. A slope is a rate. So the 6 here is a rate. You know, we talked about, when we first started talking about rates, the example that I gave you was the price per gallon of gas. Isn't this also going to be a cost? Cost per what? Rise over run, change in Y, we're changing X. If it's a rate, it's a cost per month. So it costs $6 per month. That's what you're going to say. That's the interpretation of it. Now with me? Do y'all see where I got those, what the variables represent? Cost per month. You with me? All right, so it costs $6 per month. That's what you're going to write. Write it down. You're interpreting it. Come on. Let's go. Costs $6 per month. So we've used pretty much every definition of slope today. They fooled everybody a few years ago on the test because they gave a problem like this and they said find the rate. If they would have said find the slope, everybody would have gotten it. They said find the rate. And if you don't know that rate can mean slope, it's a hard problem. That's why I'm making you learn all those definitions. We good? All right, on that worksheet, here's what you're going to do to finish. You're going to do 27, 30, and 32. 27, 30, and 32. You've got a few minutes now to finish it. If you don't finish those 3 problems, they're homework.